we see the difference quotient. And here we have just a quadratic, nothing super fancy. And we're asked to find the difference quotient here. So let's see if we can find it. We know how this relates to the derivative. If you took my college algebra course, you had to do it then too. So it comes up all the time. Let's see if we can't do it for this problem. So we have negative 2x plus h squared minus x plus h minus 4. And then I want to subtract off the original function. If everything goes well, the original function should just go away because I want to get rid of that h on the bottom. And if I let the h on the bottom go to 0, that's the derivative. All right, let's see if we can't get rid of this original function. So that's going to be negative 2x squared plus 2hx plus h squared minus x minus h minus 4 minus negative 2x squared minus x minus 4. Again, the game I'm playing right now is try to get rid of that original function if I can. So negative 2x squared is gone. Negative x minus x is gone. Negative 4 minus 4 is gone. So what am I left with? I'm left with negative 2 times 2hx plus h squared minus h, and then that's gone to 0, and this is over h. Negative 4hx minus 2h squared minus h over h equals h negative 4x minus 2h minus 1 over h. And that h will h over h will cancel, and we're left with correct answer. Okay, got it. Difference quotient. There's only one. I think there's only one in the homework.